Hello everyone, thank you for watching my channel. Enjoy these budget-friendly decor hacks, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more clever tips to beauty your home and a budget. Here are some inspiring benefits of implementing the best indoor strip lighting design tips for a modern and chic space. Enhanced ambience. Indoor strip lighting can transform the ambience of any room. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere that promotes relaxation and comfort. By strategically placing strip lighting in the key areas, you can achieve the best balance of brightness and ambience, enhancing the overall mood of your space. Stylish aesthetics. Strip lighting adds a sleek and modern touch of your interior design, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your space. Whether you are looking to create minimalist, industrial, or contemporary looks, strip lighting offers endless design possibilities, allowing you to customize your space to reflect your personal style. Versatile design options. With a wide range of color brightness levels, you can control options available. Indoor strip lighting offers versatile design options to suit any taste and preferences. Whether you prefer soft, warm lighting for a cozy atmosphere or vibrant color lighting for a lively ambience, strip lighting can customize to meet your specific design needs. Space-saving solution. Unlike traditional lighting fixtures that can take up valuable space, strip lighting are slim and flexible, making them ideal for tight and hard to reach space. By installing strip lighting along walls, ceilings, or under cabinets, you can illuminate your space without sacrificing valuable space footage, creating a more streamlined and clutter-free environment. Energy efficiency. LED strip lights are highly energy efficiency, consuming less power than traditional lighting sources and lasting significantly longer. By switching to LED strip lights, you can reduce your energy consumption and lower your utility bills, while also reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a more sustainable features. Customizable lighting effects. Indoor strip lighting allow for customizing lighting effects such as dimming, color changing, and dynamic patterns to create a perfect ambience for any occasions. Whether you are hosting a dinner party, watching movies, or simply relaxing at home, strip lighting can be adjusted to suit your mood and activities, enhancing your overall experience. Enhanced taste lighting. Strip lighting can be used to provide targeted task lighting in specific areas of your home, such as kitchen countertops, bathroom ventilations, or home of offices desks. By illuminating these areas with bright focused lighting, you can improve visibility and productivity, making it easily to perform tasks with precision and accuracy. Easy installation. Strip lighting are relaxingly easy to install and require minimalist maintenance, making them a convenient and hassle-free lighting solutions for any home. With adhesive backing and plug-and-play contractors, strip lighting can be installed quickly and easily by homeowners, saving time and money to professional installation services. Increase property value. Well-designed indoor lighting can significantly enhance the value of marketability of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. By investing in high-quality strip lighting in incorporating modern and chic design tips, you can increase the perceived value of your property and stand out in a competitive real estate markets. Overall, implementing the best indoor strip lighting design tips for a modern and chic space offers a wide range of inspiring benefits, from enhancing ambience and aesthetics to improving energy efficiency and functionality. Whether you are looking to create a cozy retreat, a stylish entertainment area, or a productive workspace, strip lighting can help you achieve your design goals and create the perfect indoor environment for living, working, and relaxing. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Bye bye.